Firstly, we are going to sew the half circle here. Thread length for sew this half circle will take 8 times of the finger distance, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, here is the total thread length for sew this part. We are going to sew these parts individually, only one layer. Now we are going to thread the needle. We need 2 ends of the thread to be fixed with 2 needles. Thread the needles like this way. Okay, here is one end. Now I go through the first hole and then draw 2 ends of the thread evenly. Beneath needle, go upward from the second hole. Put your thread about 45 degrees on my left hand to rotate it, and then upper needle go downward also from the second hole. Draw 2 ends of the thread tightly and then move on to the next hole. Okay, so I will leave you to sew the left horse until the last hole at the other side. Now we have finished all the holes here. Go back to holes to end the thread. We will have 2 ends of the thread at the same side. There are 2 options to end the thread. The first option is using your leather glue to apply the glue only on the thread. If you don't have the leather glue, I'm going to show you another option about ending the thread. Before cutting off the thread, go back to horse, like this way. Until 2 ends of the thread at the same side, and then cut off the thread. Use your lighter to melt the thread. Be avoid not too close to the leather. Okay, press a little bit. Finished. Next step, we are going to attach these 2 little patches by sewing these 2 straight lines. Thread length for each of the straight line will take 5 times of the finger distance. Okay, it's the same way of sewing another straight line. Also takes 5 times of the finger distance. Next step, we are going to sew the side ear. Here is the finished effect. The white thread part. Thread length for sew the white thread part will take 8 times of the finger distance. Okay, we have finished one part and leave you to finish another side here. And then we are going to connect these two side parts together by this straight line. It's about 6 times of the finger distance. Step, we are going to sew the side part onto the body about this half circle. Thread length for sew this half circle will take 4 times of the finger distance. Here, when we locate the first hole here, we need to make a circle at the top to provide extra support. Okay, last step we are going to sew the front leather patch onto the side part. This part is also the same distance, but we can measure from here 8 times of the finger distance. Now we have finished the body part. We could use some cotton or cloth to fill in the bag to make it fitting style for days. It will be looks much nicer. Now we're going to sew the shoulder strap. After install the chain, we will fold the leather straps like this way. And then straight length for sew this strap will take 4 times of the finger distance. Okay, we have finished one straight line. Same way of sewing another straight line. Okay, after install the shoulder strap onto the body part, we will finish the back. Hope you enjoy this DIY process. Thank you so much for watching.